So howdy, how you doing today? So Todd, the slightly average American, out here again waiting for the train to come by. Should be just a few minutes. So I'm just going to briefly go over my channel. Like I said, my name's Todd and average. So as Americans go, I'm average height. I'm a little over on the weight, a little on the just slightly. Average income, I'm in the middle class. Let's see what else. Some things I'm not average on is that I joined the military, and only about 1% of the population of America is in the military. So I'm a little above average on that, kind of like way above. And let's see what else. I retired from the military, so on that part, not a lot of people make it to retirement in the military, so I'm way above average on that. So so there's some things I'm average on, some things I'm not, and some things I'm way over average on that. So, well, I thought I'd be seeing it by now. So let's see, I don't see anything peeking around out there, so let's go ahead and maybe I'll just jump out, start recording when it's down the track there. I thought it'd be at the same time, but I guess I'm a little ahead of myself. So let's wait and see what happens. Well, there you have it. It's gone. Quick in and out. Pretty cool.